Xin lỗi cô, để cô để lâu.
Sorry, teacher, I'm
Hello.
late.
It's okay. So it's not next time to join, okay? You are just previewing
Yeah,
Zoom. You didn't join actually. But it's okay, teacher understands. How are you today?
I'm great. Thank you.
So what did you do today?
Um, I'm late with baby,
Baby, is that a sister or a brother?
sister.
Oh, you have a baby sister?
Yes,
How old is she?
she's a 3 year old.
Oh, very cute. All right. So now, before we are going to start the lesson, let's sing a song.
Hi, hello, hi, how are you today? I'm good, I'm great, I'm doing okay. Hi, hello, I'm waving at you. Hi, hello, I'm waving at you. Waving at you is how I like to say hello. Hi, hello, hi, how are you today? I'm good, I'm great, I'm doing okay. Hi, hello, here's a high five. Hi, hello, here's a high five. A high five is how I like to say hello. Hi, hello, hi, how are you today? I'm good, I'm great, I'm doing okay. Hi, hello, let's fist bump. Hi, hello, let's fist bump. A fist bump is how I like to say hello. Hi, hello, hi, how are you today? I'm good, I'm great, I'm doing okay. Hi, hello, let's shake hands. Hi, hello, let's shake hands. A handshake is how I like to say hello. Hi, hello, how do you like to say hello? A wave, high five, fist bump, handshake, or just say hi, hello. How are you today?
Okay, and saying hello, you can wave. Can you wave? Can you wave? Can you show teacher how to wave?
Yeah,
How to wave? Can you show it? Can I see your hands?
hello.
Can I see your hands like this one?
Yes,
Where? I didn't see your hands. I only see your face.
in the last.
Can I see your hand? Can you wave to teacher?
Yes,
May
I
I see?
can.
May I see your hands?
I can see.
May I see your hands? Can you wave?
I can see.
Can you wave? Wave hello to teacher. Can you wave hello to teacher? Follow teacher, follow. Look at me and follow. Do you know how to do
Yes,
this one?
yes, I can see.
Okay. Now do the what is next? Oh, I really forgot what's next. Okay, can you do the high five? Can you do high five?
Yes,
May I see? I only see your face. I didn't see your hands. High five. Where is your hand? I didn't see it. Let's do the high five. Let's do the high five.
yes,
Okay, very good. Let's do the wave. Okay, next, let's do the fist bump. Okay, and last one, let's do the shake hands. Okay, very good. Good job. So now let's continue with our task. So last meeting, we learned about short form comparative adjectives. So now, let's continue learning the comparative adjectives. This would be the last task for the lesson. So look at the table and write a sentence. So we have here, the first is Peter and Lucy and old. So when we say old, we are talking about, what are we talking about when we say old? Is it age, height, or weight? When teacher asks, how old are you? We talk about
10. I'm 10 years old.
you're 10 years old. So what are we talking about? Is it age? Is it the height? Or it's the weight? When we say old, we are talking about the age. Like you said, you are
Age
10 years old. Okay, so old is for age. Short. When we say
is
short, height or weight?
high.
Height. When we say heavy, height or weight?
High.
Again, when we say heavy, height or weight?
High.
No, it's the weight. Heavy. We are talking about how heavy are you? Like, are you 20 kilograms? Like that. When we say young, what are we talking about when we say young? Age, height, or weight?
Mm,
Young and old.
Young.
When we say young or old, is it the age?
A.
Yes, very good. When we say again thin,
Wait.
wait. When we say tall,
High.
good job. So now, for example, we are talking about Peter and Lucy and old. So that means our answer is in the age. So we have Peter because we are talking about Peter, and we have Lucy. So 10 years old Lucy and 12 years old Peter. So what is the comparative adjective of old? What is the comparative? What is the comparative of old? You add ER. Is it older than or the oldest?
Older.
Older. Very good. So who is older? Peter or Lucy? Who is older? Look at their age. Who is older? Peter or Lucy?
Bitter.
Peter. Good job. So the answer is Peter's older than
Then
Lucy.
Lucy.
Do you understand? Okay, now let's try number 2. I want you to write your answer. We are talking about short. So it's a short. So is it height? It's height.
B. Bitter is short. Is shorter than Harry.
Okay, look at Peter. Look at the height. No, I'm sorry. Peter and Harry. Can you write your answer, please?
Yeah.
Harry's shorter than Peter. Hmm? Lately, you said Peter is shorter than Harry. Why is that you write Harry's shorter than Peter? Are you sure with your answer? Harry is 1.7 meters and Peter is 1.6 only. So who is shorter?
Peter is shorter than Harry.
Yes. Okay, write it again because you write the wrong answer. It should be Peter. Peter's shorter than Harry is correct. Very good. Now let's do the heavy. So Harry and Peter, who is heavy? When we, oh, may I see? Peter's heavier than Harry. Look, Peter is 60 kilograms. Harry is 65 kilograms. So who is heavier? Peter is 60. Harry is 65.
Peter is heavier than Harry.
Mm, are you sure?
Yes.
Look, Peter is 60. Harry is 65. So which is heavier, the 60 or the 65? Think, think, think. Which is heavier, 60 or 65?
60.
Again?
60.
No, 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 no. It's not. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. 65 is much heavier. So it should be Harry. Harry is heavier than Peter. 60 is a small number. 65 is bigger than 60. Do you understand?
Yes.
65 is bigger number than 60. Look at number 4, Beth and Harry. And we are talking about young. So young. What table are we looking for when we say young? Age, height, or weight? Is it age, height, or weight for young? When we say young, okay? What are we talking about when we say young? Is it the age, height, or weight? When we say young, how young are you? Or when we say how age. So let's see the table about age. And the name is Beth and Harry. So look at the ages of Beth and Harry. Look at the age of Beth and Harry. And also, we are talking about young. Think about your answers, dear. What is the comparative form of young? You have a question? Ask teacher. Beth's younger than Harry. Okay, very good. That is correct. Good job. Number 5, Lucy and Beth. And we are talking about thin. Thin. So what is that? Height or weight?
Thin. Wet.
Yeah, weight. When we say thin, we are talking about their weight. Okay. Look at the table of weight. Thin, Lucy, Beth.
Lucy. Lucy is thinner.
Thinner than Beth. You are correct. Can you please write it? Do not delete your answer. Okay? Where's your answer? Number 2, 3, and 4. Do not delete. Oh yeah. Do not delete it. Okay, number 5, write your answers. Lucy is thinner than Beth. Lucy's thinner than Beth. You are correct. Number 6. In number 6, it's tall. So we are talking about age, height, or weight?
Height.
Height. So Beth and Lucy again.
Mm. Beth is tall than taller than Lucy.
Very good. That is correct. Please write. So Beth's taller than Lucy. Okay, very good. So now let's see about old. So number 7 is old. So I think this one is, we are talking about superlative. So old, when we say old, we are talking about age. So
Um,
who got mm, the oldest? So I think we got two, Peter and Harry. So we can say Peter.
Peter and Harry are the oldest.
Okay, oldest, that means superlative. It ends with est. So who is short?
Um, Lucy and
Only one because
Bess. Peter,
again,
Lucy and Bess are
okay. Wait for
the
a while, Noy.
shortest.
Wait for a while. In number 7, the answer is Peter and Harry because they have the same age. Peter is 12 and Harry is 12. So that means in number 7, there are two answer. Peter and Harry. In number 8, there is only one because they don't have the same height. They do not have the same height. So only one.
Lucy.
Very good.
Lucy is shortest.
Can you write it?
Lucy is the shortest.
Lucy's the shortest. How about number 9? When we say heavy, what is that?
Harry is heavy.
Harry is the
Harry is Harry is have is Harry is the heaviest.
okay, heaviest. Harry is the heaviest. Number 10, young.
Lucy is the youngest.
Very good. Thin.
Lucy is the thinnest.
Good job. Number 12,
Tall. Harry is the tallest.
okay, very good, Noy. So, good job.
Teacher,
Yes.
okay, you has homework.
Yeah, we have homework. I'm going to send homework for you, okay?
Yes,
Yeah.
I like homework.
You like homework. That's better. That's the best. Okay, it's already time. So I'm going to send the homework in our Zalo. Okay?
Yes.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you next time, teacher.